The sacred Adap Mandap BJ rituals commenced in Puri today as Lord Jagannath, Lord Balbhadra, Devi Subhadra and Lord Sudarshan were ceremonially moved from their majestic chariots into the Gundicha temple through elaborate Pahandi processions. Lakhs of devotees thronged the holy town to witness this revered Rath Yatra tradition. India's first privately developed orbital rocket Vikram 1 successfully reached orbit under mission Agaman after lifting off from Sriharikota at 12:05 pm. The achievement makes India the third nation with private orbital launch capability. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Skyroot Aerospace for the historic milestone. The Union Government has convened an all-party meeting tomorrow ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament beginning Monday. The meeting will seek cooperation from political parties to ensure smooth functioning of both houses. The session will continue till August 13. AIIMS Bhubaneswar celebrated its 6th convocation ceremony today. Union Minister Anupriya Patel, attending the event as chief guest, congratulated 684 graduating students across medical, nursing and allied disciplines. She urged them to wear the white coat with confidence and compassion, highlighting ethical and patient-centric healthcare. The India Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for 11 districts in Odisha, forecasting isolated heavy rainfall today. The alert will continue for several districts over the next 5 days, urging residents to remain cautious amid monsoon activity. India has taken its first formal step towards polymer banknotes as BRB and MPL invited global expressions of interest for polymer substrate sheets with security features. The tender marks a possible shift from paper currency to durable plastic notes, pending RBI's final decision. President Draupadi Murmu will embark on state visits to Moldova, North Macedonia and Romania tomorrow. The visits, continuing till July 25, are at the invitation of the respective presidents and aim to strengthen India's diplomatic ties with the three nations. Iran launched missile and drone attacks on Kuwait today, forcing closure of the country's airspace and suspension of flight operations. The strikes damaged parts of Kuwait's power and water desalination infrastructure, escalating regional tensions and disrupting essential services. Nelson Mandela International Day is being observed globally today to commemorate his birth anniversary and lifelong contribution to humanity. This year's theme, It's in Our Hands, highlights the role of individuals and communities in combating poverty and inequality worldwide. PV Sindhu stormed into the Japan Open Women's Singles Final after China's Chen Yufei retired injured during their semi-final. Sindhu won the first set 21-19 and led 15-10 in the second. She will face Japan's Akane Yamaguchi in tomorrow's final.